Hi, welcome to Beauty and Lifestyle by Anandita. Today I'll talk about this product. This is Strix hair color and my shade is blue. It's called Gem Collection Blue Sapphire, and let me just unbox it in front of you. Actually, as you guys can see, I already have color and this is the one which I've applied. I had two packets now, but the color payoff was not so good, so I thought I'll do it once again, and this time I'm going to share with you. I'll just show you how I'm coloring my hair. Now this is the kit and these are the other things which came along with it. It has a colorant cream and one developer, one blonder powder. This one is kind of a mixer, or it is another kind of a brush. If you want, you can use this one also. And this is the actual color brush. And it also has conditioner. These are the two packets of conditioner. If you have a long hair, you will definitely need more. And this is the plastic gloves, use and throw obviously, and this is the instruction manual. This is a big one. This has actually many languages, so whichever language you are comfortable in, you can actually get the instructions from this small booklet. And yeah, this is the package, guys. Now if I just look at the package, you will see a whole bunch of instructions, things which you should follow, which you should not do, and stuffs like that. The steps are also mentioned over here, step 1 and step 2. Now step 1 says that you have to choose the strands which you want to color, and then you have to use the blonder powder to discolor. Like my hair is black, right? So no matter which color I put, I have to discolor my hair strands first, otherwise there will be no color on black. Like if you take a black paper, will you be able to color it properly? But if you take a white paper, you can make rainbows. So yeah, that's what. And then you have to apply the blonder and the developer, and you have to blonde your hair. And then the second part is you have to use the color cream. Now guys, the trick is, which is perhaps not mentioned in this one, not even in the packets, but if you check this one, you will find out that the gem collection, which is green, blue and purple, these collections do not actually need a developer with the color. So the developer is meant for the blonder powder only, right? If you mix the developer with the color, then you will not have the desired color payoff. Like first time I did not know, I did not go through the manual properly, so I kind of mixed up the developer along with the color, and that's why I have light blue shade. It's not the one which is like, you know, like this shade. That's the reason why this time what I'll do is, since I already blonded my hair last time, I'll directly apply the color, and after that I already have some orange streaks which is kind of gone now. So what I'll do is, with the blonder powder, I'll do orange streaks separately, and let's try that way. Okay, so I'll just cut it in front of you, guys. Gloves, well, let me tell you guys, you will not be comfortable with these gloves. They are not so comfortable, they're not so well fit, but yes, so you do not have choice. If you have disposable surgical gloves, which I had before, now I don't have any stock, but if you have them, please do wear them. And yes, I have emptied the entire packet, and this is the thing. This is my packet, guys, and this one is going to be used as a dustbin. So I'm kind of disposing everything here, and there you go, guys. I'll not use the brush, I'll simply take my hair and that's how I'm going to color it. That's how. This actually, I find it simple and comfortable or manageable, like whatever you call it. You know, if you use the brush, it's gonna take time, more time. When I apply henna to my hair, even then, this is how I use it. Why I'm not using the blonder in spite of having black hair is because I already have used the blonder and my hair is already kind of discolored. One more thing which you need badly is, excuse me guys, this one. This is aluminium foil, so make sure you tie up your hair, or like you cover it up properly, otherwise it will give you lots of discomfort. The wetness is one thing. Another thing is, if you do not tie up your hair properly, there will be color almost everywhere. So obviously do not want color to be on your dress. Today I'm wearing white, Oh my god, okay. So yeah, obviously you don't want color on your dress, obviously you don't want color on the, you know, like hair which is already perhaps highlighted, or even if it's not, just to avoid that extra bit of coloring, you have to use aluminum foil, and that's a mandate. And yes, I'm doing it, guys. Do you see how quickly I'm doing it? Normally if you do it with the help of a brush, it will take lots of time. It's not gonna happen like that, but since I'm doing it with my hand, I'm doing it in no time. And yes, see, I'm done. I'll just do a small ribbon once again. There it is, guys, and I'm kind of done. What I'll do is next, I have couple of strands here and there, couple of blue strands, which is not visible now because last time, like I said, I could not do it properly. I mixed the color with developer and there was no good color. So this time what I'll do is I'll just find couple of strands and I'll color it. That is definitely with bare hand. I know it's a bit risky, but I have nail polish, so my nails will be protected. And after that is done, you're supposed to wait for 30 minutes, but I'll wait for 45 minutes to 1 hour. I don't want to take a chance. And after that, I'll wash my hair, I'll come and I'll show you how much blued I have become. Stay tuned. Hey guys, done guys. How do I look? See, it's blue, it's nicely blued, yeah, blued. And yes guys, see, well, I have this much tint left on my hands, but don't worry, it will go after maybe a couple of wash. It will actually go for sure. It will not stay like that. And guys, yeah, I have actually applied nothing on the upper part, very little tint. In light you guys can actually understand it's nicely colored now. After, if you want to do more styling like curls or straightening or something, then it will look better. But yeah, now this is how it's looking, guys. Now as you can see that my highlights, my blondes, the blonde streaks are totally gone and I'm kind of missing them. So what I'll do is I have the blonder powder and I have the developer. So what I'll do is I'll take half of this blonder powder and half developer, and I'll kind of make couple of blonde streaks as well. It's okay, I mean, I'm happy with my blue hair, but since I miss my blonde streaks so much, I'll do couple of blonde streaks now. Let me just mix it well and I'll get back to you. Please stay tuned. I'll just show you how you can make blonde streaks without wasting your blue highlight. Stay tuned. Guys, I'll make my streaks now, and if you're doing everything all alone at home, then you really have to be careful. This is the blonder mixture, and this is the developer, and this is the blonder powder. I have mixed them. 1:1 is the quantity that I have taken. Now if you are taking the entire blonder powder and the entire developer, and you feel that the texture of the blonder mix is a bit sticky, or you need more, you can definitely add water. If you add water, it will still work perfectly okay, right? So I'll actually, I have kept my mirror over here, so I'll take very thin hair strands, because like I just said, that I do not want to spoil my blue strings, and this is how I'm doing it. See, only this much, and since I'm doing it all alone, I have to be extra careful. This is how you have to do this, guys. For safety, you know, if you want, you can always use aluminum foils. That will help you protect the hair which you don't want to color, and that way your streaks will be perfect. As you guys can see, I am taking very thin strands. This should look like highlight, not like a coloring. Okay, and I am blonding this way, guys. I'll make couple of more strands. See guys, I would also suggest, if you want to blonde your hair, take very thin strands and apply the blonder like this. and that way you can make as many blonde streaks as you want. Keep them for 30 minutes, that's enough. Like if you keep them for longer time, they'll become golden. So if you keep them for 10-15 minutes, they'll be light brown to orange. If you keep them for half an hour to 45 minutes, they'll become light golden, I mean orange to light golden. But if you keep them for a long time, that will be completely like whitish golden. All right, so very slowly and carefully I'm going to make a couple of more strands. I'll wash and then finally I'll show you guys how it's looking. Please stay tuned. Hey guys, I'm done with my blonding as well. And do you guys see my blonded strands? These are the ones. I have colored them nicely and they are orange now. So this part is kind of blue, and there are my streaks, guys. There they are. If I wish like I could take you to sunlight, then I would have shown you a better picture, but I can see them, you know, very nicely. My orange strands are there, they are visible, and yeah, that's how I'm looking now. There you are, guys. But actually I did not make more because I did not want to waste the blue ones. I am liking it very much. Actually guys, I don't mind to say that my hair is very less, it's not thick at all, but I'm very passionate about my hair. I do take care of my hair. There isn't a single week when I don't apply henna, and like other things also, I do take care of my hair a lot. And now I'm kind of happy with the kind of color I have given to my hair. And yes guys, if you want, yeah, you can. Okay, this became my dustbin now. Whatever I have used, I put it here. I'll just close it and I'll just throw it away. You can do that as well, right? So yeah, this is the thing I have used. Once again guys, this is really very good. This is handy if you are doing it alone at home. Take your time, do it slowly, carefully, and you will definitely get the desired look. And once again guys, thank you for watching my video. If you're new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon always if you don't want to miss my videos. And before you apply the color, don't forget to do a patch test. In the booklet you find the direction of how to do a patch test. That's very important. If you are allergic, you should not use it. Do not invite unnecessary trouble. So always use a patch test before you use Streaks hair color. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, you take care. Bye bye.